Not all skies are free to fly. From secret government zones to sacred religious cities, here are 10 places where flying overhead is strictly forbidden. Number 1, Area 51 in the USA. This top-secret military base in Nevada has its airspace locked down due to classified operations. No unauthorized aircraft get near this place. Next up, Mecca in Saudi Arabia. The holiest city in Islam. Non-Muslims can't enter and planes can't fly above it. The reverence for this city is taken to the skies. The White House in the USA. It's the home of the US president, protected by permanent no-fly zones. Aerial security is a priority here. Then there's Buckingham Palace in the UK, the royal family's residence. Restricted airspace surrounds it for obvious security reasons. Vatican City in Italy, the world's smallest country and the center of the Catholic Church. No aerial traffic allowed to ensure the safety of the Pope and the sanctity of the city. Now to Tibet in China. This high-altitude, politically sensitive region sees rare and tightly controlled overflights. Its unique status makes it nearly off-limits from the sky. North Korea. Almost no foreign planes are allowed to fly over the country due to its extreme isolation. This nation remains a mystery from above and below. Disney parks in the USA. Post 9/11 laws established no-fly zones over Disneyland and Disney World. Even Mickey Mouse needs a little airspace security. The Kremlin in Russia. Russia's political stronghold is guarded by heavy airspace restrictions. No one's getting a bird's-eye view of this fortress. Finally, the Indian Parliament in New Delhi. This government zone is a no-fly area for national security, safeguarding the heart of India's democracy. These skies are protected for powerful reasons. Well, which one surprised you the most? Like and subscribe for more hidden facts from around the world, did you?